The first bite's for you. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Placing food in a preheated oven means it starts cooking immediately. Whisk together the melted butter and the cocoa powder until smooth. Add the granulated sugar and blend well. Mix with a hand whisk or a spoon or a hand mixer. The tools you have when cooking at home will definitely do the trick. Stir in the eggs one at a time. Eggs contain both fat and water, which need to blend evenly with other ingredients. Adding them one at a time prevents curdling and ensures the batter stays smooth and cohesive. Mix in the vanilla extract. Gently fold in all-purpose flour and salt. A little at a time, mixing in between. Make sure not to over-mix. Bake the brownies in a 9x13 parchment paper lined pan. Allow the brownies to cool totally in the pan before cutting it into squares. I hope you've enjoyed how to make chocolate brownies from scratch. The first bite's for you. You can find the full recipe at bellalafay.com.